I am standing at our Browns Road farm site. It borders our Bonio water recycling plant and is part of the overall Tootgarook Wetlands, which is a very important ecological feature here along the Mornington Peninsula. We are working with Melbourne Water and the Mornington Peninsula Shire to return this site to its former state as a beautifully functioning wetland. It is important to us and our community that we protect and enhance these beautiful wetlands, as they are home to many threatened vegetation communities, birds, including some migratory species, and reptiles. We are starting small, but our vision is big and ongoing, so that we and our future generations can all enjoy the social, economic and environmental benefits of these regionally significant wetlands. To find out more, visit southeastwater.com.au.